It's Asian, not Asian. It's do, not do. It's figure, not figure. And it's idea, not idea. Oh my god. When I was growing up in China, I was taught to use Chinese sounds to produce English words.
Think, sink, thank, sunk, three, three. Check it out. 柴可一特 out.
And guess what? I struggled with my pronunciation for years. Well, I still haven't nailed it even to this day, but I'm doing much better now, thanks to a systematic approach to polish my pronunciation. In this video, I'm gonna talk about this approach and give a step-by-step guidance on how to apply it. So if you wanna never confuse full with fool, luck with lock, sheet with shit, keep watching. Alright, the systematic approach comes with a framework. That is, there are only 44 unique sounds in American English, oftentimes represented by the International Phonetic Alphabet. And we only utilize 6 key parts of our human body to create these sounds, which are vocal cord, tongue, lips, teeth, jaw, and nasal cavity. So in theory, if you go through how to produce all 44 sounds in American English by focusing on these 6 key parts, you will nail the pronunciation part of speaking like a native. And with the help of YouTube and ChatGPT, this is far more doable than most people think. So let's apply this framework to an example and see how it works out.
Let's do it.
Let's figure out the difference in saying full versus fool. Step number 1, look up the IPA transcription. Here I'm using 2phonetics.com, and we see the difference in pronouncing full versus fool really comes from the difference between the oo versus the oo sound. To distinguish these two sounds, do some simple search on YouTube and see how people demonstrate them. I know, right? YouTube is the best university. Some of the YouTubers offer excellent explanation, like Rachel, Keenan, and Hadar, so huge thanks to them. Chances are that you don't need any other instructions after watching their videos. But in case you're still confused, still got questions, GPT is a go-to, babe. For example, I was wondering if a tiny bit of schwa sound exists while producing the oo sound. So I opened ChatGPT and typed my question. Well, it's a bit long because I want to give GPT the background information and a clear definition on its role. And I want to get the most out of it. After all, your AI is only as smart as you are. By the way, you can find this template in the description section of this video if needed. Then it gives me a super detailed answer. Definitely helpful, but I still don't feel like I fully understand how to produce these two sounds. Of course I have not. I won't until I open my mouth and practice over and over again. While practicing, think of the instructions from YouTube and GPT constantly. Somehow I just got a hand of it very soon. That's it, folks. Apply this system to fine-tune your pronunciation and always prioritize vowel sounds, which give you the most amount of improvements. Slightly but surely, you will nail the pronunciation part of speaking like a native. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll post another video on intonation and pitch in the near future.
Oh my god.
So stay tuned. Peace.